Have you ever wondered why do some people hit 40 and still have a face as firm as a 20 years old, while others start to experience a face slide at 30? Why do some faces feel like a soft, squishy marshmallow when pinched, while others are as firm as a bouncy ball? Well, today I'm going to answer some of the most common questions I've received lately. After watching my videos, many of you have asked about fascia, bone memory, acupoints, and meridians. What exactly are they? Why is it important to understand them for facial massage? And what's their relationship to one another? If you also want to know how to keep your face tight, useful, and wrinkle-free, you are in the right place. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jessie Lee, a wellness coach focusing on holistic mind-body-spirit approach to unlock your personal wellness code for effective, long-lasting results. Whether it's weight loss, facial sculpting, or long-term wellness regimen, here I share real-life health and wellness case studies. If you want to lose weight without gaining it back, improve facial contours, and boost overall health, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss out on my weekly update. Today, we are revealing the ultimate secret to useful skin. Your face is like a super strong alliance made up of 6 superpowers. The bones, their foundation and the structure. The muscles, they control our expressions. The bone memory, they're responsible for protection and nourishment. The fascia, tightening and stretching our muscles. The meridians are charged of energy flow. The acupoints targeting precision control. Each group has its own special powers, but if even one of them slacks off, your face would become a collapsing construction site. Droopy, saggy, wrinkled, and sunken. Stick around until the end of the video, where I will show you a facial lifting technique that activates all 6 superpowers at once. Let's break it down. The bones are foundation and framework of your face, determining its shape and 3D structure. A solid, well-supported bone structure means clear, useful contours. So, next time you look in the mirror, give your bones a little shout out. Hey, my Iron Man, thank you for holding it all together. Keep being awesome so I can rock this useful face. This is also one of the useful methods to identify our personal wellness code. But if your bones lose support or start to break down, your face turns into a sunken apartment. Sunken temples, droopy cheeks, deeper smile eyes, that's the warning signal of bone aging. How to save our bones? If you watch my videos, you know I love using my fingers and knuckles for facial massage because it helps you communicate with your 6 superpowers. Also, don't forget to supplement with collagen, calcium, and vitamin D to recharge your bones. And avoid phone hunching to keep your jawline in good shape. Muscles control your expressions. A little smile, your muscles make it happen. Feeling angry, they're working hard. When they are firm, your face has a springy, useful bounce. But when they are slack, it's like a deflated balloon. If we keep frowning, picking our noses, or brushing our teeth too aggressively, our muscles remember those actions and the wrinkles start to set in. But how to keep your facial muscles in shape? Besides facial massages, try facial yoga or targeted muscle exercises to keep them active. And don't forget expression management. Stop those frowns before you turn into a wrinkle factory. Fascia is like a super net that wraps around your muscles, supporting them and determining whether your face stays firm or starts to sag. When fascia loses its elasticity, it's like a rubber band that loses its strength. If it becomes loose, your muscles can't stay lifted, and your face might start to slide with deepening fine lines and popping eyes creeping in. But how can we save our fascia? Well, for this topic, in the future videos, I will show you how to stretch and tighten your fascia. You also need to avoid things like chin propping or sleeping on your face. Meridians have long been a controversial concept in the Western world because they are invisible, making them difficult to study or measure directly. But think of them as hidden energy highways in your face. Just like the invisible air we breathe, they play a crucial role. Similar to a network of blood vessels, meridians help deliver nutrients and clear waste. When energy and the blood flow smoothly, your complexion stays radiant, and your skin remains firm. But when they are blocked, your face can become dull, puffy, and saggy. And how can you clear your meridians? You can try gua sha and regular facial massages, stay hydrated, keep moving, and boost the circulation to keep your energy flowing. Acupoints are like your face's smart switches. When activated correctly, they help tighten your face, brighten your complexion, and restore energy. Press the right points, you will see instant improvements. But if you press the wrong ones, well, don't expect miracles. In fact, you might end up doing more harm than good, loosening muscles, or even creating fine lines. The bone membrane is a mysterious protective layer that covers your bones, nourishing and supporting them. Think of it as your face's Wi-Fi. If it's not working properly, your face can feel stiff and age faster. And how can you protect your bone membrane? You can massage it gently, avoid sleeping with your face squished, and give your bones a little TLC. In a word, to keep your face useful, all those 6 superpowers must work together. Bones need to stay strong. You must stop slouching. Don't let your face collapse. Muscles need to stay firm. You can do facial yoga and keep those expressions in check. Fascia needs elasticity. You need to stretch it out and avoid bad habits like chin propping. Meridians need to be open. You can try gua sha and drink water for smooth circulation. Acupoints need activation. You should massage them regularly for a glowing face. Bone membranes need care. Remember, always gently massage and nourish them. Now, let's watch this short demo for boosting your 6 superpowers. I hope today's video helped you out. If you found it useful, remember to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Next time, I will show you a super easy facial tightening massage. Don't miss it. See you next time.